if you find yourself logged out of your Etsy account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these straightforward steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Etsy login page. Go to the Etsy website and navigate to the login page. Look for the sign-in option, which will direct you to the login form. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. On the login form, locate and click the Forgot Your Password link. This will initiate the process to reset your password. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Etsy account in the provided field. Make sure it is the correct email to receive the reset instructions. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for an email from Etsy. This email will contain a link to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link in the email to access the password reset page. Enter a new password that meets Etsy's security requirements, then confirm it by entering it again. Save the changes to complete the process. Once you have reset your password, you should be able to log into your Etsy account without any issues. If you continue to experience problems, consider reaching out to Etsy support for further assistance.